This creamy minty spread is very healthy and quick to make. Soak cashews in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. I've taken hot water and now we are going to blend it. Blend it using spices of your choice. I'm taking here green chilies. This is a minty flavor, so lots of mint, cilantro, lemon juice, salt. Add a little bit of water as per the consistency you want and how you want to use it. This is ready. This can be stored in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, but it's so tasty, it won't last long. So this can be used on wraps, on sandwiches, and you can make dips out of it, and also salad dressing. It's healthy and tasty too. So here I have toasted bread. I'm putting this creamy and minty spread on this. And then you can top it off with any vegetables of your choice. I am using here avocado. And then top it off with some salt, black pepper. This looks so delicious. And always try to add healthy ingredients like nuts and seeds to your sandwiches. So this is ready. Do try this. Link in the description for more detailed recipes if you want. Enjoy and eat healthy. Stay blessed.